Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about the ranges or range in Go language. So one by one we understand how we can use range against array, slices and map. So we have a package main, then we import, then we create function main. So now we take an array and I slice some value like this, and if I want to display this information, so I use for and I say value range data like this, and I say fmt dot println then value like this. Save it and run it, and you see 0 1 2 3, that means it will display the index first. So if I want to display the value, then I have to put like this. Save it and run it, and it will display 1 2 3 4 or some other value. If I put here like this, if I run it, and you will see that the value is coming here. But if I don't want to put this one, if I say like this, then it will display the index 0 1 2 3. And here also I can use data and I can put here value, then also I can display information from the array like this, or otherwise just use this way, blank value and then value like this here, and save it and run it. Now similarly we can use it like slices. We say where slice data equal to make, and I say string or I say int and 3 like this, and I say s data, and now I just initialize the value, like this way. Now I can use same for loop here, and in place of this I put s data, and I save it and I run it, and you see if I remove println and I put here space, if I remove here ln and I put here space, and then I use fmt dot println for line break here, and I run it, you will see everything would be in one line. So here, and I have to give space here also, and if I run it, and you see the information from the slice is also coming and from the array is also coming. Similar way I can use it on map also. So for what I do, like m data equal to make map, and here I say of a string type of key, and we have a value of I think int type like this, and then I say m data, I say here key 1 value, for example this m data, I say key2, then data m data, and I say key3. So like this I can give any information. Now I want to display this, so again I'll use for loop, and here I say m data, and here I will have the key and value also. So key is here, so I display here key, then like this, here I say key and value, save, and I try to run it, and you see key and value, key and value. So we are using range here for map, for array, for slices. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.